Watch
What you
this.
are doing is not good. I saw you with a man the other day. I could not tell my friend your husband, but if I see you again, I will tell him.
I don't care.
I have so many things now. It's not like before. You really push me with your stubborn behavior.
I only wanted to look nice. My friends have been insulting me.
Now I'm going to be showing you how to make AI videos with Gemini Gen. This Google Gemini, you can use it to create AI videos. You can use it to create image to video, text to videos. So what you need to do is to search Gemini Gen AI on Google. It will come out. Check for the one that has this logo that you're seeing on the screen. Then you need to sign up. Use your Google account. Sign up. Once you sign up, click on this verification sign and sign up with your Google. It's going to take a little time, but it will surely sign up. Now, once you finish signing up, it will take you to your Google for permission, for you to grant it permission to access. So let's just wait for that. Just follow the step on the video. So this is my Google account. So it's going to sign up. So I'm going to click on my Google account and it's going to load. Now you see, you say Google will allow Gemini to access this information. All you need to do is to press continue and it will go. Now it will start loading so that your Google can access so that Gemini can access your Google. So it's loading now. Let's just wait for the interface to load. So let's just wait. Now when this thing is loading, you have to be patient. You don't need to rush. Allow everything to work. Make sure you sign up with your Google account. Now, once you are signing up, just wait for it to load and it will give you another interface. Let's just wait for it to load. We're having a bit of network issues, so let's just wait for it to load. So we are waiting. We are not rushing to anywhere now. This is what we do. AI is our business, so we are not rushing to anywhere. Let's just wait for it to load. I'm just trying to check some things on my phone. So let's just wait. It's loading. So this is what is going to come out. Now you click on the X to remove it. Now this particular Gemini Gen AI, I just click on the image circle there to see if truly my Google is already registered with this Gemini Gen AI. I'm just checking the interface to see. Now the next thing you need to do is for you to understand this interface. You know, they are saying, Grok is not free anymore. Grok is not free anymore. I want to show you that Grok is free. And that is what I'm using. So now, you see what they wrote here. Special offer, unlimited video generation. They say $15 per month. That's not our business. Look at where they wrote create, extend video, remove watermark. Now, what you are going to is, you see Grok free. You see drag to upload image. Upload the image you want, what you want to edit. I've already created my image. I have a video of how to create image or AI characters. Is there. Go and watch it. Now, you have picked your image, customize it, add your prompt, what you want them to say in the video. Orientation, is it landscape you want? Is it portrait? Is it square? So I'm typing what I want my AI character to see. The image I picked has an old woman, so I'm using an old woman as what she's going to say, as her own address. There's a lady also in the image I picked, so I'm using a lady also. Now, I'll write my prompt because I don't normally copy my prompt from ChatGPT or anywhere I generate my story from. I make my stories from my head because I don't want copyright, blah blah blah. I don't want it because basically I post my videos on YouTube and I don't want any other problem. I use my head to make my stories and I'm very, very good at it. So you as can see, I'm typing it myself, what they are going to see. I'm not using any copy and paste. Even if I'm using copy and paste, I might have wrote all the story on my word processing. I might have write everything and structure everything just for me to copy and paste it. But this story is just a short story that I've crafted in my brain. So I just want to bring it out to life. So you can see I'm writing what the lady is going to say. Be specific, because AI no be one kind thing. You need to be specific, because if not, they will just say rubbish and you will not like what the outcome of it. So be specific. The scene you want it to be, what you want them to say, be very, very specific. Now I'm using a old woman and a lady, two characters, two people, and make sure you put full stop in every finished sentence. If not, the next person is going to say the same thing because there is no full stop. They are giving it a command. So look what I write. Looking serious, meaning the scene, the old woman should look what? Serious. Now, you come down, you see orientation, landscape. When you check down, you see the model, Grok. If you click it, you see other way. You see resolution, standard, duration 6 seconds. Click on generate. They say verifying if you're a woman. Click on that, verifying if you're a woman. Click on it and allow your video to generate. It is very simple if you follow this step. Now, while your video is generating, go down, they will say your video is being created with AI magic. This is the prompt details that I put. So they are still showing your prompt, and this is the video it has generated. Now, this is the video, the old woman and the lady. Now, the first video I showed you, I already created that video, and I just decided to use another video because I want you to see the picture of everything. Okay, I'm trying to increase my volume. If you see the model, the right Grok video. Grok video. This is Grok. Just download it. It is very clean and clear. The only thing with this AI is that it gives you free credit, and that free credit, all you need to do is for you to come daily, check your free credits, which is 40 credits. Use it, go to your history, you see all your videos. So that's just all. And this AI is very smooth. So subscribe for more, like, share, and save this video
Hope that
for
someone
later.
is not another man.
Mama na mano.
Hope you have not defiled your marriage.
Not all ma, but your son should do better because I am tired.